Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to post a job on LinkedIn. So simply open the LinkedIn, and now what you need to do, you can see there is a job option here on the right down side. So simply click on jobs, and now you can see on the top right side post a job. Simply click here. Now here you can add the job title, like I want to hire the assistant, so simply click on assistant. Now workplace type, here you can select the workplace type, like I am typing on site, and you can also change your location here. Here you can add the company name. Now you can also type the job type, full-time, part-time, contract, temporary, and here you can add the description. Simply click on save, and now here you can also add the screening questions. Now simply click on continue. So now simply LinkedIn allow you to post a one job free, but if you want to post a professional job and more jobs, you have to add the budget here and click on promote job. So after this, you need to add the payment method like credit card details here, and after this click on post job, and in this way you can post a job on LinkedIn.